Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how you load a strategy. So after you download CoolTrade, you'll be able to load 5 long and 5 short strategies. And if you click options, there's strategies already available for you straight out of the box, as well as user strategies that are some of the top performing users. You can download any of these user strategies as well as any of the CoolTrade strategies, except for some of these pay strategies like the trade alongside Kramer strategy. You can also download user strategies here. So for example, say you want to download some of CEO Ed Barsano's strategies. Well, you go to EdBar1, you click it, you click also where you want to get rid of one of yours, or one you don't mind copying over, and you can copy it. So right out of the box, all those strategies are available. I highly recommend, when you guys first get started, simulating first, just to see what happens and to get used to the system before you start running a live account. And it's a personal preference, but highly recommend it. So right now I'm clicking on the $2 or below strategy, and I'm going to just show you guys real quick just how simple some of these strategies can be. And this strategy right here has been supposedly pretty successful for people in the past, but you're going to see it's really simple. So it only trades stocks that are between $1 and $2. It trades 1,000 shares at a time, and it'll only trade up to 5,000 shares per symbol, and we add on 10% drops. Right here, this is when it trades, and I'm actually going to change this to 8:30. I like the market to be open for about an hour before I start trading. So here are the watch list rules. And again, the watch list is to narrow down the stocks we're looking at so the auto trader runs efficiently. So all these stocks must have volume of 200,000 shares, both yesterday and a 30-day average over 200,000 shares. These companies have assets that are greater than their liabilities. Institutional ownership is greater than 10%. The stocks are less than $2 and more than or equal to $1. And the close price yesterday is less than the 5-day simple moving average. So all those same criteria are in effect for when you open positions as well, except an additional rule is that today's last trade price is greater than yesterday's close price. And as soon as that extra rule comes into effect, CoolTrade buys. Here are the rules to add shares, and it's just the same rules for the most part, except the current price is less or greater than $1 is not included, because if you bought a stock that, say, it was between 1 and 2 at the time, but it started out like $1.10 and it dropped below $1, you still want to be able to add to that. And yeah, so it's damn easy. I mean, very, very simple, but surprisingly effective. And the beauty of the auto trader is that it robotically trades unattended, buying and selling stocks based on these criteria. You also see that we exit once institutional ownership goes below 5%. The profit requirements are pretty straightforward. We're chasing 18-cent gains, 4% or 4-cent pullback, and profit protects at 9 cents. There are no stop losses here. You'll see 50 is way more than $1 or $2, and the re-entry pullback is 5 cents, meaning the stock must move 5 cents before it will decide to buy again. And that's a very, very simple strategy, guys, but surprisingly effective. So that's the $2 below strategy. It's available at the CoolTrade website, and you can download that right out of the box and get going with CoolTrade. So highly recommend CoolTrade, and hopefully you guys find it is enlightening and amazing as I have.